It's day 10 according to me, and day
8
for y'all.
I think Ben's probably in between. I think Ben's on day 9. So
Yeah.
We're all in different
No, you're on
days.
day 9.
No, I'm on the same as you, 8.
Because you missed a day. Half a day.
Well,
True.
yeah, but I put 2 in 1, so.
Amusing.
I don't care what day it is. I'm getting to ride my bike.
Oh, so wise.
Sage advice.
Oh, put that song back on.
6 minutes in, already docked some gravel and mud. Good start of the morning. Love it. So, I think we're like 8 minutes in. Probably 13-14%. People are off the bike. People are on the bike. Bike's almost popping. Whew. Holy crap. Nine minutes in, and I'm breathing like this. Yeah. Bike pack, they said. Lauren says this looks like Indian Girona, So we have Indian Girona between Mudigere and Sringeri.
Get the same position ever again, Ben.
Nope.
You know that?
Rest of the trip is the most uncomfortable ever. It's taken me a week to get used to it, and now it's done.
One piece handlebar, bro.
Yeah.
Today's been quite a blah day, quite exhausted, lethargic, maybe lack of sleep, and it's also 10 days on the road. Honestly, there's not much content today that I've shot. Overall, it's been a great day. 35 kilometers to the finish. Kind of glad it's over today. 3 more days of riding. I'm gonna figure out a nice thing to talk about for tomorrow's video. Last time of the day, 6 kilometers long. Lawrence went for it. I went behind him. I think I lasted a good 3 minutes, doing about 300 something, sitting on his wheel. I don't think I've ever done this in a long time. There's definitely some training stimulus coming out of the store. 4.7 to go. 6 kilometers of rolling after that. I can jump into bed. It's been a long day. Oh, Poppy Woppy.
Hey, Benny. Should we steal him?
Should we puppy nap him?
He'll stick him in my back pocket, I reckon.
Easy,
He's small enough.
easy.
Or, if not the back pocket, maybe the bottle cage.
But then, there's also the brother or sister.
Oh, we have to take both.
You are gorgeous.
I can't get over this thing. I'm going to put you down, okay? There you go.
You are a cute dog.
Hello.